Hey, I'm Mateo with WTI,
And these wireless controllers by Matbip have made gaming so much fun. They're compatible with my PlayStation 4, and I have never had something pair up so easily like these controllers. I simply just connected the USB cable to the PlayStation and just pressed the home button. As easy as that. And my controller was paired up. The controller itself works great. The connectivity to the PlayStation works without any lag or glitches. The buttons have a quick reaction time, and the controller feels comfortable to hold even after a few hours of gaming. The battery holds a very good charge, so it's very convenient if I'm playing for a few hours in a row. I like that it comes in a 2-pack, so it has been perfect for my wife and I to play and have fun together. These controllers have been perfect to have some fun.
and that is my point of view.